Here is how I built this local private Jarvis clone that works without internet. And just to show you that, I'll turn off the internet. And you can see it still works. So let's go ahead and try it. And you can also set it up on your computer, which I'll show you how to using GitHub. So it tells toggle start Jarvis and just the internet part to make sure it doesn't have internet. I'll refresh. And you can see it's not working. So it says toggle start Jarvis, say Jarvis is going to give you a beep when it hears you, and then you ask your question. Then you gotta be patient because it has to transcribe your voice, generate a response, and turn it into voice again. And then the system status just tells you the latency. What this means is how long it takes for the first word to come back from the AI after finishes thinking. And this just means how long it takes to generate the entire response and convert it into speech. So let's just try it out. So if we toggle start Jarvis, and then we'll just ask our question. Jarvis? Oh, I think when I said start Jarvis, it probably thought I said Jarvis. So
The next step is to ask our question.
So let's just try that again. Jarvis?
Let me know if you need further assistance.
Let's let it finish. Jarvis, name a car brand. As you can see, it says ask name a car brand. Updates the first token latency. So we know we're waiting for a full response.
Toyota is a popular car brand known for producing reliable and versatile vehicles.
Okay. So now let me just show you how to set it up on your own computer. So first, what you're gonna want to do is obviously I'm gonna turn on the internet. So you want to go to github.com and just go to this link. It'll be in the description, so you can just go there. And now all you gotta do is just follow the instructions. You can follow the instructions from here or just follow this video tutorial. So these are just all of the details. We clone our repo by doing this. And this is in PowerShell. If you're on Windows 11, you can just search up Windows PowerShell. And then we're in Larvis, the Larvis. Then you install Lemonade and the model. This is a little bit different because I already have it installed. I'm not going to follow the instructions, but this is how you would do it. You would go here, you go to developer setup, or just click, oh my gosh, or you would just click that if you have Windows 11 and select your OS and just install. And remember, if you just have Windows 11, you can just click that. And then you run this command. Then you can install, then you install the dependencies. I already have them installed. So, oh wait, why did I do that again? Just made another one. But let's install the requirements. I already have them installed, so it took like 5 minutes. Then we can try running this. As you can see, it doesn't work for me, but here says if this doesn't work, try this, which is, wait, hold on, that didn't copy very nicely, which is exactly what we're gonna do, and it works. It's going to open up this web browser. You will have to wait like 2 minutes. You will just have to wait a little bit because it needs to boot up everything. Then I'm gonna stop it, clear, and then you can follow the instructions. It tells you you click start Jarvis, and but this is something cool. If you go on here and if you go on customization, you can change the model. Like if I come over in main.py, you go over here, you can change this to whatever model you want. You can change this to tiny, you can change this to big or whatever model you want. You can change the personality. If I can find it, hold up. So I have it, your voice assistant like Alexa, be concise. And just tutorial, check this video out. And yeah, so that's basically it. If you like this tutorial and want to learn how I actually made this project, go into the description. But what I used is Lemonade. It's a really, really nice multimodal app. So if you go here, you can have Kokoro, you can have normal text to text AIs, you could have stable diffusion, you could even have Whisper. So what I built, you could just do it all from Lemonade. You wouldn't have to have 20 different libraries for that. And but basically, yeah. So thank you for watching. If you want a tutorial, comment down below and make sure to subscribe. Bye. Thank you for, okay, bye. Jarvis.